don't waste time, because honestly, time is not your friend. Time is gonna keep going. Time will leave you behind. Time is selfish. Stand up. Stand up. Show everybody. Yeah, wait, up. Here, baby. Hey, yeah, that's Daddy's angel. Yeah, my daughter walking out. Hey, what are you doing, squats? Are you squatting? Okay, she doesn't feel like walking right now, but trust me, she can walk. She walked from here all the way to there, and she's taking her steps. So I'm a proud daddy. That has nothing to do with this video, but I'm a proud daddy. Holla at me. See, I could care less what you think about me, because, are you dancing? You dancing? Hey, but we're gonna get to the video now. Let's go.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Okay, so since I'm somewhat of a poet, I'm gonna start this off like this. I'm gonna start this off like, reward does not lie in consumption. In consumption, reward lies in risk-taking, meaning you have to take action. You have to take action, guys, and that's just off the top of my dome, off my cranium. That's just off the top, because like I said, I'm like a little poet, metaphors, and you know. Anyways, guys, look, I wanted to dive a little bit deeper on that subject, where I made a video, if you guys haven't seen it, that is doing pretty well actually, how to never go broke from here on out in 2019. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it right here. You can go check that out and come back right here. How never to go broke again. All right, so that's that video. But in that video, what I say is, one of the key statements that I state is that don't be a consumer. Don't be a consumer. Be a creator, right? Take action. Be a creator, guys, because you're not gonna get anywhere just consuming all day long, or for weeks. You're not going to get anywhere consuming. And that being said, family, what you have to understand is that a lot of these guys you're watching, a lot of these people you're watching, whether it's retail arbitrage, whether it's just anything you're watching on YouTube or books you're reading, at the end of the day, it's good to get knowledge. Knowledge is power. But when you stay in this zone of only like consuming, you don't get anywhere. Like the actual results comes when you take action, guys. So at the end of the day, I don't care if you've seen only one of my videos or you've seen one of somebody else's videos and you're wondering like, what is this? Does this really work, or whatever the case may be. Just, I'm the type that take risks. So I suggest that you do not spend too much time researching, and get involved. Get involved with whatever you need to do to get involved. Do it. You know what I mean? So don't waste time, because honestly, time is not your friend. Time is gonna keep going. Time will leave you behind. Time is selfish. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, if you think time is your friend, you got another thing hitting. You got some life that's going to smack you if you think time is your friend. See, time doesn't care about any of you guys. Time doesn't care about your emotions, your feelings. Time's going to keep going. And with time that keeps going, what does that mean? Things change. Things change. So what is here now may not be here tomorrow if you don't take action. All right, guys? See, this is some, like, at the end of the day, like, my brain be working different ways, right? My brain be working different ways. And also, for my last upload, showing you guys how I made $6,000 in 2 days. If you haven't seen that video, it's going to be right here. But make sure if you go to watch that, you come back here and finish this, guys. Finish this, because this is important, what I'm going to tell you guys. And I have something I'm going to talk about on that video. I'm going to tell you guys something at the end of this video. All right, so just stick around and yeah, but check those videos out if you haven't seen them. Anyways, like I was saying, what you got to understand, family, and I'm going to keep it 100% with you guys. I'm always keep it 100. You guys know this, like, you know that I'm going to keep it 100. And the thing is, A lot of these people out here, a lot of these guys making a lot of money are making money off of you guys. You get what I'm saying? I'm making money all different types of ways, along with everybody else on YouTube. They're making money, and it's not a bad thing, because at the same time, when you're somebody that's helping people, then it's like a win-win for both parties. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is that don't be stuck. Don't be stuck in just the consuming stage. Don't be stuck in just consuming. You guys gotta take action, man. I recommend, and this is another thing. I'm not gonna speak on any names, but I know. Probably I could on 2 handfuls, so about 10 off the top of my head. I know 10 brand new YouTubers, 10 that I've seen their channels that started because they see my videos, which is look, I love that. There's no hate in my blood. I'm not saying it like it's a bad thing, but I love it. I love it because that's exactly what I want you guys to do. Now, most of these guys are doing exactly, what I was showing, like, which is retail arbitrage, which is cool. No hard feelings. Keep doing it. Keep killing it. Yo, if you're part of the fam, you're part of the fam, and I love you regardless. I don't care. I don't care if you do exactly what I do, if you show exactly what I show. I don't even care, man. I just want everybody to eat and everybody to be happy. But I say that to say this. You don't have to just do that. You don't have to, like, you see my videos, you see what I'm doing. I'm doing retail arbitrage. I'm showing people how to do retail arbitrage. I'm showing people how to make money online, yada, yada, yada. It's cool and everything. But at the end of the day, you don't have to just do that. Just don't be stuck consuming and become a creator. You can talk about anything when it comes to YouTube. Anything. So don't think you have to go down the same road as me or anybody else you see. You can just do your own thing. I don't care what it is. I explained this into the last video. You can do your own thing when it comes to anything. I like that line a lot, but I'm serious, and that's another thing. If you guys haven't noticed, I freestyle a lot of my videos. Like, a lot of guys that do this for a living, YouTube, it's a business, it's a job, and they have scripts and they have what they're gonna talk about. I come from here and here, like, I just freestyle. I'm like the Biggie of YouTube. I just like pick up the camera and I'm just like, yo, whatever's on my mind, boom, 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 bang. It's just coming out, right? So, like, at the end of the day, guys, what you have to do is become a creator. I've said that a bunch of times in this video. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's that important, right? It's that important to just become a creator and stop consuming so much content. All right, so it's good to get, like, if you get stuck somewhere, you need some questions answered, you're searching for those. Yes, honey. If you get stuck somewhere and you like need some questions and you're like searching for those answers, then yeah, of course, YouTube's your best friend. Google, or wherever you want to go to get those answers. All right, hold on one second. My daughter is like, she wants my attention. One second. I don't know where I left off, but answer this question for me. Where do you think most of the money, or if not all of the money, comes from? Consumers or creators? And when I say that, I mean for the entrepreneurs, the people who are entrepreneurs, the people who are making a living as a successful entrepreneur. Where do they get their money from? Does their money come from consumers, or does their money come from creators? You know the answer. Majority, because, I mean, there are going to be, even creators have to spend money sometimes to learn things or spend time learning things. But when you look at it, like, logically, even a creator becomes a consumer at some point in time. But when they're a consumer, they're making somebody else rich. No matter what it is, even if you're consuming something for a little bit of time just to learn something, you're still going to make that person, whoever you're consuming from, you're going to make them a little bit more wealthy, right? So at the end of the day, all of these entrepreneurs you see, all these guys you watch on YouTube, everybody you know that is making a living and a good and changing their lives, and they are successful entrepreneurs, it's because of the consumers, guys. So spend most of your time as a creator and some of your time as a consumer, right? I mean, the first thing to anything is acknowledging what's going on around you and acknowledging where you are, and be realistic with yourself And once you can really be realistic with yourself and understand, okay, oh, I'm consuming a little bit too much and I'm not creating as much as I should. Once you can realize that, then you can like take off. I recommend you guys to do that. All right, if you haven't heard me say anything, listen to those words, please. And because I want to see my family, I care about everybody else's family. Like, I don't wish hate on anybody else's family, but my family, I want to see everybody in my family win. And to be a part of my family, you got to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified. So if you didn't hit the bell, you ain't really family. I used to say this, and I'm going to go back to saying this. If you hit the bell, then you really family. If you just hit the subscribe button, we like distant cousins. Like, we ain't really... Yeah, like, I don't know them, but my mom said that's my cousin. Like, you know, I don't know who that is, but mom said, oh, that's your cousin from that side. I don't know that dude. I don't know. Hi, how you doing, cousin? Yeah. But if you hit the bell, we grew up together. We family. We sharing secrets, and we on. If I'm on, you on. So hit that bell to get notified when I upload. All right, guys. And it was how I made $6,000 in 2 days doing something called EDDM, and I'm just gonna explain more about that because I've even seen on YouTube no one really breaks down like the step-by-step, like how they actually going about doing it, and even the psychology to creating a postcard. I mean, there's a psychology behind it. As I am going to make an in-depth video on that. Just give me some time. It may be coming within the next couple of uploads. May not be the next one, maybe the one after that or the one after that. I don't know, but I will make one for you guys. I promise that. I love this. I love my fam. I love what it is. I love the vibes. I don't give a crap what anyone thinks about me, and you shouldn't either. If you are afraid to start a YouTube channel because you're afraid of being judged or whatever the case may be about anything, like I said, doesn't have to be retail arbitrage, doesn't even have to be entrepreneurial, doesn't have to be selling online or anything like that. You can legit start a gardening vlog, you can start a kitchen vlog, cooking vlog, a freaking lifestyle vlog, whatever, traveling. Like if you're a teacher, talk about your student. It doesn't, I'm just randomly throwing things out of there. Like, you can be a daggone bird whisperer for all I care, right? And it will work for you, trust me. It's just about being consistent when it comes to YouTube, being consistent and just becoming a creator. That's it, man. And don't care about what anybody thinks. You're gonna get negative feedback. You're gonna get dislikes. You're gonna get all that crap, but it doesn't really matter because they can't stop your flow. Only you can stop your flow, and no one's gonna stop my flow. I'm gonna keep going for the fam, for myself, for my daughter, for the positive vibes, guys. Wait, one more thing. If you haven't subscribed to my review channel, go subscribe to my review channel because I'm gonna be randomly just reviewing random products in my house. It's gonna be like a fun, cool thing. So make sure you go subscribe to my review channel. It's VarVar Reviews in the link in the description. All the other step-by-step videos. If you guys need to know how to send stuff to Amazon, link in the description. If you need to know what you need to sell on Amazon, link in the description. So everything you actually need will always be in the descriptions, guys. If you guys want my intro song, which you guys showed so much support and love for, and I'm blessed for that. Like, you guys want to go download my intro song, link in the description, guys. And yeah, that being said, it is peace and love until the next one. I got some fire coming for you guys this summer. We on. Peace and love. We out. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.